Today we're going to take a look at this 8-in-1 iPad stand hub. It's really cool because it folds up, as you can see here, when you're not using it. So you could take it with you if you travel. On the bottom there is a pull-out cord that you will plug into your tablet, iPad, or Android tablet. So then it will unfold, and this is like really stiff, so you don't have to worry about it moving around when you're trying to use it. So you can adjust the angle like you see here. You can lift it up like this. Now you're going to have to be careful. You don't want to tip it way back because the base isn't super heavy. So you want to make sure that you have it at a decent angle. Let me show you what it looks like when I put my iPad in there. So here it is with my iPad in here, and you will notice that it has this really cool ratcheting feature. So you can move it around on the base like you see here. And you can put it like this if you want to. If you want it in portrait, you can put it like that, but like I said, you got to be careful about the angle. You don't want to tip it back too far. Let me show you the different connections. There's a pass-through USB-C port, so you can plug in your charging cable there. You have HDMI, so you can connect it to a monitor. You have another USB-C. You have two USB-A ports, you have a earphone jack, and you've got an SD and a micro SD card slot. So it's really nice. It's great for travel. It's great on your desk. And I like that it all folds up and the cable even stows in the bottom when you're not using it. So there you go. 8-in-1 iPad or any tablet, Android tablet hub stand.